Hey there, and welcome. If you've ever dreamed of sharing your passion for movies and TV with the world, starting a YouTube channel is a fantastic way to do it. First, think about your niche, what excites you the most. Whether it's reviews, analyzes, or fan theories, find your unique angle. Next, create a catchy channel name that reflects your content. Once that's set, invest in a good camera and microphone. Clear visuals and sound make a huge difference. Plan your content ahead of time. Scripts or outlines can help keep you focused and engaging. Don't forget to design eye-catching thumbnails and write compelling video descriptions to attract viewers. Consistency is key, so set a schedule that works for you. Lastly, engage with your audience through comments and social media. Building a community is what makes this journey rewarding. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tips. Happy creating!